Hello everyone, welcome to our Nan Hua African drum lessons. The djembe accompaniment. Each rhythm has 2 or 3 djembe accompaniment patterns. Accompanists do not accent. The syncopation of slap, tone, and the bass of all the parts together creates a sense of phrasing. The necessary to learn how to play for the dancer or to solo is the patterns teach endurance, form the specific nuances of each rhythm, shape the feeling, and makes each rhythm unique unto itself. Dunduns. The bass drums of the ensemble are called dunduns. Within the ensemble, there are usually 3 dunduns. Dundunba is the biggest, the sanba is the middle, and the kenkeng is the smallest. Dunduns are made of a solid piece of wood shaped as cylinder. They are mounted with the cow skins and played with the sticks. The keys are bass, tone, and slap.
Today, I'm going to teach you the drum key notes, which is bass, tone, and slap. Bass is on the center, tone on the middle, and slap on the side.